Meanwhile, the Heart NSTA Trust has jumped at the opportunity to offer training to street-side food vendors. As Jamila Maitland reports, Crab Circle vendors must complete the program if they're to resume operations.
As the authorities grapple to find a way to safely reopen Crab Circle, a training program is being organized for the street-side vendors.
The small food facility operations, which will cover areas that would be critical in terms of food preparation and handling to the public. And they believe that it would enhance the professionalism, and it would make food preparation, the entire process of preparing food for the public, and that it would make it safe.
Mayor of Kingston, Delroy Williams, who met with the Heart NSTA Trust on Monday, wasn't able to say when the program would start, only that all vendors must complete it. Vendors along the Harborview Roundabout, sections of Red Hills Road and Mullines Road will also be included.
The training program will last about, I would say, 5 days, and then the assessment will come thereafter. And once they would have completed successfully the assessment, then from there on it would have to be just monitoring.
And what happens to Crab Circle now?
We are looking at see if we can put in some additional wash basins and make some other improvements in the space. As you are aware, it is street-side vending, and with street-side vending, there are limitations to the kind of infrastructure that can be put in place.
According to opposition spokeswoman on local government and community development, Natalie Nita Garvey, Crab Circle was a disaster waiting to happen.
Having gone there and made the announcements, did the upgrade, it looked good. I don't know why it is that they would not have thought of ensuring that there were going to be bathroom facilities so that vendors could properly relieve themselves in a dignified way.
There is also heavy responsibility on the personal responsibility side, irrespective of the other side, and there are some other things to be done, but we can't excuse the fact that proper training is required, proper practice, behavior and attitude.